Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid photography. Grid photography is a powerful tool to enhance your compositions, helping you create more balanced and visually appealing images. By understanding and applying the principles of the grid, you can guide the viewer's eye and make your photographs more impactful. We'll cover everything from activating the grid to advanced compositional techniques. To begin, you'll need to activate the grid display on your camera. This is usually found within your camera's settings menu, often under Display or Composition options. Look for an option to enable the grid overlay. Most cameras provide a standard 3x3 grid, which divides your frame into 9 equal sections. This visual aid is crucial for applying compositional rules effectively. The rule of thirds is a fundamental principle in grid photography. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Instead of centering your subject, place it along these lines or, even better, at one of the 4 points where they intersect. For landscapes, position the horizon on the upper or lower horizontal line, not in the middle. Beyond the rule of thirds, the grid offers many advanced possibilities. For architectural shots, use the grid to ensure perfect vertical and horizontal alignment, preventing skewed perspectives. You can also intentionally use the grid for symmetrical compositions, placing your subject precisely in the center. Experiment with leading lines, guiding the viewer's eye along the grid segments to add depth and interest to your photographs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.